It is a state of emergency in Florida this morning as Hurricane Ian strengthens in the Gulf of Mexico. Millions of residents, especially along the state's west coast, are bracing for impact. NBC News correspondent Sam Brock has the latest from Tampa.
Overnight, Ian now becoming a hurricane, barreling toward Florida. Store shelves in Tampa are already empty as concerned residents stock up on essentials like plywood to protect their windows and water to drink if Ian strikes a major blow.
I mean, we're trying to be ready. Who knows? I mean, it may be real bad, maybe not bad at all. But if it is, then we just want to make sure we are ready.
Everyone's getting ready for a possible direct hit by this intense storm, projected to reach Category 4 strength, powered by the ultra-warm Gulf waters after going by Cuba later today and tonight. The governor of Florida declaring a state of emergency for all 67 counties and activating thousands of National Guardsmen.
Anticipate power outages. That is something that will likely to happen with a hurricane of this magnitude. Anticipate fuel disruptions.
The lines at gas stations across the state are already long. Emergency management officials say they're preparing for the worst.
More than 2 million meals and more than 1 million gallons of water to be ready to be sent into impacted areas.
I just got here and it's saying that there's no water here.
Supplies running low as people heed the warnings.
Were you surprised to see empty store shelves?
Yes. I'm from Chicago. It's my first year down here experiencing the hurricane, so it's like people are really taking this serious, way more serious than I thought.
Tampa hasn't taken a direct hit from a major hurricane in 100 years, but the mayor is preparing for any possibility.
You have dodged bullets in the past. What's the level of uncertainty and, I guess, concern that maybe this time is going to be different?
Well, we look at it from a worst-case scenario every time. So, again, we prepare for the worst and hope for the best.
And that's exactly what these Floridians are doing.
Yeah, I don't think we should panic. I don't think, it's part of living here in Florida. We should always definitely be prepared for the worst, of course, but not panic.
NBC's Sam Brock with that report. And coming up, more from Liz Cheney and what she's willing to do to keep Donald Trump from ever getting back into the White House. In her words, quote, whatever it takes. Why that includes campaigning for Democrats. We're back in just a moment.